There was a businessman who was very deep in debts and could not come out of his troubles. One side, the creditors were not cooperating, and the second side, suppliers were demanding money. Helpless businessman was sitting on a bench in a park, catching his head. He was thinking about if there is something which can really save him and his company from bankruptcy. Suddenly, an old man appears there. He says, "I can see that something is troubling you. May I help you in any way if I can?" Then, after listening to complete story of businessman, the old man says, "I feel that I can really help you," and ask his name, write a check and push the check into the hands of businessman. And old man says, "Take this money, and after exactly 1 year, let us meet at the same park, and at that time you can return this money to me." When the businessman with a thanking expression asks the details of old man, he introduces himself as D. Joseph and disappears from there. And D. Joseph was one of the most richest persons of the world at that time. And after old man disappears, when the businessman looked at the check, it was for $500,000. At an instant, he thinks that his all financial troubles can be erased by using this check. But instead doing that, he decided to keep that check uncashed in a safe, knowing that would give him a new confidence, new power to face his business problem in a new way. With a renewed optimism and a confidence that he had on that $500,000 which is there in the safe, he negotiated big deals, extended terms of payments, and he has closed several debts. And after a few months, he started earning and his company was growing. Exactly after 1 year, he returned to the park. And he was waiting for the old man to come there. And at the agreed time, the old man comes there. This businessman was very happy and was about to share his success story and give the check which was uncashed to the old man. Suddenly, a nurse comes there rushing into and catches the hand of the old man and convey to businessman, "Sir, I hope he did not trouble you. He was in the restroom and he always escapes from the restroom and comes to this park and convey people that he is D. Joseph. But actually he is not D. Joseph. He is mentally sick." And the nurse take that old man to rest home. The surprised businessman stood stunned. All the year he had been wheeling, dealing, buying, selling with a confidence that he had $500,000 in the safe. And later he realizes that it was not the money which was real, fake, imaginary, whatever it is. It was not the money which has turned his life around. It was his self-confidence which has given him a strength to move into the problems and solve them with a new optimism. So my dear friends, our self-confidence itself can move the hurdles out and solve any problem. And if we lose our self-confidence, it will block our eyes. Not only eyes, it will block our minds also. It looks like all the ways are closed. So let us not lose our self-confidence. It can be a weapon in solving the problems, in standing strong when we face the problems. Hope that you will maintain your self-confidence. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. If you have not subscribed, subscribe the channel and also share it to others.